Africa Content TV.
Every child has the right to an education. Education is the greatest weapon against poverty. I can't be talking to you now with wanting to be president without a solid background. Even my laugh at some. When I started, they say he has no certificate. Show me yours. They asked one of them, how did you get rich? He said he was doing transportation and motor vehicle business. He had forgotten that civil service, you cannot do any other thing if you're a custom officer, but farm. Who is lying to who? Who is contradicting who?